Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will continue my discussion about some famous colleges of West Bengal. If you missed previous videos of this discussion, click on the I button at the top right of the screen to get the list and watch one by one. So today's discussion will be about Siliguri College of Commerce in Siliguri. Siliguri College of Commerce was established in 1962, just a year after the establishment of the University of North Bengal, which it is affiliated to. It started its onwards journey with just a handful of students with a mission to enrich the incoming aspirants with commerce education so as to enable them to suit in their desired position in the society. Siliguri, as we know, has been having the accelerated advancement in all dimensions, including that in academia and particularly that in business and commerce. In this respect, the presence of this institution in this growing commercial hub assumes even greater importance than before. In the light of this fact, the college has been giving attention to the introduction of some specialized commerce and management courses. The introduction of honors in management and BBA are the fruits of this effort. In fact, at present, it is the only college in North Bengal from where one can pursue honors in management and BBA course. This institution is hopeful to introduce honors in finance, CS inter and final courses, and MBA in near future. Professors of Siliguri College of Commerce are well qualified and trained. Their way of teaching is great. They treat everyone with same and they support and teach students like a friend. Students get to know about the teachers better in this college. The course curriculum makes students ready for the industrial work. Students of Siliguri College of Commerce will be facilitated with library, computer labs, cafeteria and medical. This college offers BCom program, BCom Honors Program and BBA Honors Program. This college also have some co-curricular activities such as National Cadet Corps or the NCC, National Service Scheme or the NSS, annual sports and university competitions. Students interested in military training are encouraged to join the college unit of NCC. They are advised to contact the NCC officer of the college immediately after admission to the college. Students who are interested in social services are encouraged to join the college unit of NSS. They are advised to contact the NSS officer of the college immediately after admission to the college. The college also organizes annual sports in every winter season. Moreover, the college also participates in different inter-college meets and tournaments. Outstanding players of different fields are asked to participate in the selection trials to represent the college in those meets and tournaments. So let's talk about the eligibility criteria. For BCom Honors, the candidate should have passed 10+2 with an aggregate of 55% with at least 4 academic subjects including English as a compulsory subject. The candidate securing 50% aggregate with 60% in the subject of interest can also apply. For SC and ST candidates, there is a relaxation of 5%. For BCom, the candidate should have passed 10+2 with an aggregate of 45% with at least 4 academic subjects including English as a compulsory subject excluding EVS. For BBA Honors, the candidate should have passed 10+2 with a minimum of 50% aggregate with 4 subjects with English as a compulsory subject from a recognized board. The Siliguri College of Commerce admission from along with the photocopies of the documents specified by the college like mark sheets, passport size photo, medical certificate, migration certificate, etc. need to be submitted to the college. The Siliguri College of Commerce merit list will be published by the college on its official website. The students will have a counseling before admission. The names of eligible students will be published on the Siliguri College of Commerce counseling list. The campus has a well-established training and placement cell for providing the job opportunity to the eligible students. Campus invites many reputed recruiters every year for the campus recruitment. Contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college are provided in this video's description. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.